Good evening everybody, and once again welcome back to the channel. In this particular video I would be showing you how you can leverage the power of Apache Spark Connect with Amazon S3 table buckets, right? So without wasting any further time, let's get started. I do have some sample data to show you customer daily sales in my Amazon S3 table bucket. This is a managed Iceberg table. Back in 2023 I wrote this blog. Back then Spark Connect was very new back then, right? Now here I want to show you again, if you don't know anything about Spark Connect, either you can read my blog, or if you want you can head over to the official website and you can read more about the Spark Connect. In simple words, Spark Connect is a very thin client with full power of Apache Spark. You can connect your modern application, modern data application. You can connect your IDE, Jupyter Notebook or PyCharm, or even programming languages such as Rust, Go and Python, and much more, of course. Feel free to read more if you need to, right? So here I'm going to show you how you can leverage Spark Connect to query your Amazon S3 table buckets. Okay. All right. So I do have Spark 3.5.5 downloaded already prior to the video. If you do not have, you can probably go to this website. The links are there. Click on this link and this will download the file locally. Once done, simply unzip that particular file. And now we're going to take a look at the next step. So here you can see I have this tar file and the unzip file over here, right? So just want to show you that. So let's cd into that, right? Clear. And now we're going to launch Spark Connect. So here we're going to do that by following command sbin start connect -server.shell, and then you provide the packages. The most important package is you need to provide the Spark Connect package, and then whatever package you want, you can just supply it. Okay. So let me copy this actually. Let me copy, go to my terminal, paste this one in, and now my Spark Connect server has started. Okay. I can probably copy this URI, do a cat here, and here you can see the logs, right? So the Spark is in the starting state right now. Now, once that is done, you can simply connect now with your any client application, right? Or Rust, Python, or any other you want, right? So now what I would do, I would use the PySpark shell, and I would supply a flag remote, and I'm going to say SC localhost, right? If you have a dedicated long running EMR, great. You can put the IP address or the domain name if you have, right? So, but I'm showing you locally, right? All right, so I'll head here to a fresh terminal and I will launch a PySpark shell here. And here you can see it is in the starting state. And you can also verify that by going to localhost 4040. You will see the Spark URL. See the version 3.5.5. So just wanted to point that out. Okay, so here I have my server running in the background, right? Now here I have my client. Now let's see if we can query our S3 tables, right? So by the way, I do have some sample tables already, so I'm just gonna query them. Okay. So here I'm gonna create a Spark session, and I'm configuring my Spark with the S3 table catalogs here, as you can see. Excuse me. So here you can see the Spark session is created, and now I can simply run a query. I can say select everything from this catalog dot this namespace dot table, right? Let's run this. And here you can see I was able to query that particular data, right? If you go to localhost 4040, which is where the Spark Spark UI is there, here you can see if you go to SQL data frame, any SQL I execute, here you can see, that session ID. This really reminds me of AWS Glue interactive sessions, right? Similar to that, right? So you can have a long-running persistent EMR cluster. You can have the Spark Connect, and then you can use this as an interactive session, right? Pretty cool, right? I hope you have enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new. The commands and the snippets would be there on my blog post and GitHub, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, if you have any other questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer that. Until then, keep smiling, keep programming. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video.